Everyone in crypto is building new products, new wallets, new apps, new dashboards. But here's the real problem. Every time we build a new project, we expect users to change their behavior. Download this, install that, back up this seed phrase, understand gas fees, and for billions of people, that's just too much. Now think about this. Over 3 billion people already use chat apps like WhatsApp and Telegram every single day. They don't need onboarding, they don't need tutorials, they already live there. So instead of building another app and asking people to adapt, we asked, what if crypto adapts to them? That's Ping2Pay. Ping2Pay operates directly inside chat apps. No wallet downloads, no complex setup, no seed phrase anxiety, no switching between apps. You simply open a chat with a number, type a message, and send crypto the same way you send a text. Behind the scenes, all the complexity, wallet creation, key management, transaction signing is handled securely on the backend. The blockchain still does what it does best: secure settlement, transparency, ownership. But the user, they just chat. This isn't about building another crypto product. It's about using existing distribution, the platforms people already trust, and embedding crypto directly into everyday communication. If we want mass adoption, we don't need more apps. We need fewer steps. Ping2Pay makes crypto invisible. And when technology becomes invisible, that's when it scales. So here we are, building a revolutionary integration on your daily chat apps and making the crypto payment seamless and hassle-free. Through Ping2Pay, now crypto transfers is just a message away.